What is up, guys? Today we are going to be installing my new ProClip into the Gladiator. I ran the ProClip in my JK and I loved it. No complaints. So we're gonna run this again in the Gladiator. Super easy. That's what I love about ProClip. It's literally just like a piece of, oh, you can't even, there you go. It's like a 3M strip. I do just have to look at the instructions because I don't want to fuck it up. Okay. Easy peasy. So I'm not even gonna 3M it. I'm just gonna leave it because it seems to be sitting there pretty well. I just don't like sticking anything to my dash. I'm a psycho. I'm sure it won't fuck anything up, but still. Yeah, so that's on. And then the only thing else we have to do is attach the MagSafe piece to the actual mount itself. I have to go grab a screwdriver. I'm back. I had to grab a screwdriver and my phone. Okay. So if I would have read the instructions, it says there's a screw in the middle that you have to loosen. This is taking me way too long. Got it. Yeah, that makes this much easier to install. Okay, and then we're gonna put this back on here. Alright, well there is the setup. So, like I said, it's MagSafe, but that's, so that arm goes back here, attaches kind of like to the back of the dash, and then this also clips on, and I have to get a MagSafe case, because this one's kind of like iffy, but there she is.